नहीं हो। हेलो, हाँ सुना तेरा वो नंबर है बराबर, ओडिशा का नंबर दिखा रहा है। हाँ हाँ सही है। वो नंबर पर हाँ एक सेकंड रुक जा। तो मेरे को करने का एक्सेस नहीं दे रहा है, वो बोलता है कि नंबर प्रॉपर नहीं है। नंबर कितने दिन से रिचार्ज नहीं था मतलब? हाँ 3 दिन, ऐसा 1 हफ्ता चालू था ना। अब चल मैं करता हूँ, कुछ लगाता हूँ दिमाग में। Guys, log into your Drive, run your code. We have to finish SPM, correct? Once again, load में दीजिए, अब रन कीजिए। उस पेज में रीड नहीं कर रहा है, वो डिपेंडेंट की रीड नहीं कर रहा है। String ID working. String R कर दिया। इसका जावा अपडेट कर दिया। हाँ जावा पूरा बंद कर दिया। जावा की अगर जावा से इससे नहीं होगा ना, तो और एक पैकेज होता है सिर्फ XLSX, सिर्फ बेटा फंक्शन से। भाई ये 1 डे के रिचार्ज में फोन से बात होती है क्या? कोई रिचार्ज करते पे 1 दिन के लिए सिर्फ फोन लगाना है, फोन बंद आ रहा है। क्या है फोन करना, फोन करता मैंने नंबर भेजा नहीं। हाँ मैं पीसी ओके guys, have you run the code?
Hello, sir. I can't find the code in Drive.
Hello. Yes. Have you run the code, please? Guys, this code.
Sir, I can't find the code in Drive.
Okay, let me upload. Can you file the code, guys? Kiran, Priyanka, Ragini, Vallabh.
Yes, sir.
Same code, just
Yes,
run.
sir.
Okay. Have you run the code, guys? Go to the drive, run the code. I'll finish SVM today, only SVM part. Once we're done with SVM, the next algorithm remain is your time series. Okay. So in time series, guys, don't be absent because they are interlinked. First day is connected with the second day. The second day is connected with the first day. They are just a link. So Monday, Tuesday will be your time series. Guys, run the code. Okay. The people who come late, it's okay. You keep on running. I'll explain the code. Rahul is not coming. At least he can attend on. Some issue happens for the Rahul or online attend कर सकते हैं ना? If not, it's okay because वो regular ही है. कोई problem नहीं है. क्लास में बहुत ज़्यादा तो भी बंद कर दिया. Guys, you may somewhere get your Python get stuck also because here the computational is slightly difficult. Okay, we'll do a small revision in SVM, guys. What are the points we have? Let's look at. What are the points we study in SVM? Hyperplane, okay. Okay, margin. Then we have a penalty one, okay. So guys, we will first work on data set. Let's have understanding of data. First time, guys, I have taken a pure data set of a sector of one domain. Okay, you may found data set slightly difficult. So just explain, just inform me. I'll repeat for you. Okay. It's running now. I'm just waiting. Guys, need to explain the packages. Pandas, NumPy. It's okay. Online students.
No,
we'll
sir.
move forward, guys. Here we have taken a data page. Okay. Message मैंने अभी पढ़ा. It's an emergency. It's okay. Guys, we have an SVM message. SVM is like one type of my location. Okay. In that location, I've taken a file of the credit card. This is a file name. Now let's understand what this credit card means. For example, when any customer applies for the loan or apply for the card is also one type of loan only, guys, which is called as a short-term loan. Okay. Now, if you can see, guys, in data, I'll give you data description. First, data understanding has to be clear. Then objective become more easy for you. Okay. Here, how many data description, how many rows we have? Number of columns. Out of 2500, how many are defaulters? Defaulters means people who have got the credit card but have not paid the due. Means a bad customer. So how many are defaulters? 500. What is the notation for defaulters? For non-defaulters, 0. So what is the target variable? F good. Clear. This is your Y variable, guys. There is other variable are your X. Here we have number of inquiries. How many times you call to call center? Credit lines. How many credit card you have? How many loan you have taken? Home loan, or let's say bigger loan, car loan, home loan, house loan. Okay. Line utilization. Yes. Okay. Next, we have line utilization. Line utilization means, for example, let's say you have a card of 1 lakh limit. Okay, and you have used only 30,000. How much remains? How much percent we use? 30%. That is called line utilization. That's where the range comes between 0 to 100. High percentage. Number of years on file. From last how many years you're using my credit card? Like HDFC card, you're using from last 3 years. That is called number of years on file. Indicator of day past due on bureau. Bureau means your CIBIL organization. So when you have taken card from HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, Citibank, so how many cards you have? 3. On the 3 cards, do you make payment on time or not? If you make payment on time, okay, you get answer as yes. No. No means you are not defaulters. Yes means you do not pay money. So you think like yes is bad, no is good. Second, number of new loans. Guys, what is the difference between old loan, new loan? Simple way, let's say we have a customer called Yogesh. In his Yogesh age is 34, which is actually not, guys. I've taken a scenario. Okay. In the age of 34, he has taken 5 loans. Total how many loans he has taken? 5. Out of 5 loans, 4 loans he has paid the money. And he finished the loan in which year? So can I say this is old loan? Now in 2022, he has taken 1 new loans. Taken in 2022. Till you clear. Total number of loans, old loans, 4, new loans, 1. So how many loans he has taken, guys? It is called new loans. Till you clear. Now, guys, old loan is important or new loan is important to identify the financial capacity of customer. Kitne loan liya, kitni properties bani. Now he is coming for the new loan, means indication he is still not stable. And after getting a loan, how you make a payment? Whether you give a check, that is called payroll. Auto pay means ECS. Manual means your cash. Then times on book. So let's say, guys, he has taken this 5, the first loan, end loan, started taking loan from 2010. From last how many years he's taking loan, guys? 12 years. So how many years on book? From last 12 years, we know this customer. Level of delinquency. In the last 12 years, his performance for the 4 loans, 5 loans is good or bad? High, low, or medium? How much amount of money he has in saving account? How many transactions he do using the credit card? The number of overdraft. Overdraft are the account given to business person, okay, or corporate professionals. This overdraft means you get a limit of 10 lakh rupees, example, and you need money in emergency. What do? You call to your friends, family members. If nobody given, you go to the bank. Bank say, give me documents, I'll cross check and I'll give you update. And you need money now. So what we do, we make an overdraft account. In that account, what happened? 10 lakh is limit. Out of 10 lakh, if you withdraw 5 lakhs, then 5 lakh is your loan. And how much limit you have? 10. So for that 5 lakh rupees, you have to pay the EMI on plus interest. So this is your backup. Many people have this account who are working professionals. Then we have home indicator. Whether you are an owner of the house or whether you are on rent. Next, we have online indicator. Online activity means whether he uses his card online or not, like Amazon, Flipkart, and so on. Then we have period. For how many years duration we have for data. Is data clear for everyone? Clear, guys. Shall I move forward? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, first we import data of credit card. So our target variable is F good. Okay. We do a basic structure of pre-processing, which is common for all the case studies. We check info. We have how many entries? 2500. Number of columns, 18. How many are numbers? 2 plus 8. How many are object? 8. Then we check the missing data, guys. Need to explain the code for missing. So we do not have any missing data over here. Then we remove the column which is irrelevant, which is a period, duration, when he has taken the loan. Then I do a basic describe function for numbers variable and also for object variable, which is a category. This object variable, guys, will give you mode as an answer. Okay. We have 2500 entries. In F-good, we have 2, 0 and 1. How many number of times? 0 repeats? 2000. So we have yes and no. You can think like this way. Yes is my 1, 0 is my no. So no repeat how many number of times? 2000 times. It is a measure. This is a mode. I just taken a head. Guys, I have teach you treatment outliers and so on. You can apply that. I have taken a subset data, which are all numbers, and make data now. Okay. Same activity, guys, we have done from logistic onwards. Then we take an object data. Then, guys, an object data, we cannot take category. We need to convert it to numbers. I use label encoder. Need to explain this. Good. Then I combine my numbers and my labels category. I make data called data combine. Then data combine, guys, second step is data visualization. Always remember, you need to compute bad rate. It's mandatory. In interview, they will sometimes call you, tell me how much is your target ratio. Target means your Y variable. How much is your label ratio? So you have to say the good respect to bad. So here we have make a pie chart. How much percent we have bad people, guys? 20%. The 20% people who have the card and don't pay money on time. It's 80 people pay money on time. Clear? Next, guys, I have done data trend analysis, a basic study of trend, where out of, guys, total how many data we have? 2500. How many are bad? How many are good now? This has become good. And this is for. Ye clear ho gaya? Now on this bad data, guys, I have taken separate and do the trend analysis. Means I know I have some bad people, but mostly bad people are coming from where? Okay. So here we have payment. Which payment, guys? We have the maximum people. M auto pay, manual pay, and your payroll, which is the maximum people. Means I can say that in my trend analysis, manual is giving a pain for me. Out of manual, then which one, guys? People who have home, yes or no? No. So people who are rented, okay, rented people are giving an issue for me. Clear, guys? Next. After rented, DPD means prior historical pattern. If the people who are highly defaulters in prior, means when they have used Kotak Mahindra Bank card prior in 2019 and do not pay, so they are high delinquents. So historically, bad customer. Okay. Then we have pay online, whether he do online activity or not. Yes, the people who do online activity, so online users, online activities. These are the bad people, guys. So payment manual is an issue for me. Renter is my issue. And historically bad customer is my issue. So tomorrow, if I give a loan to any new customer, I will say, you have to be homeowner. At least you should be historically good customer. Plus, you will pay the payment automatic or give me check prior. Then only I can give you card, otherwise I will not. This is called trend analysis. Concept clear, guys? Easy. So manual, online, yes. Home indicator, no. These are the difficulties for us. Then, guys, once my data is ready, data combined, need to explain data partition, guys, for you. Okay, so we just split data into train and guys, grid search will come later. It's consume lots of time. Let's do first manual. I want to run SVM. Kernel is linear. I selected linear. You can select any kernel. It's your opinion. I assign in model. Model will fit on extend and wait. I'll run this. Yes, it will consume time because it will find support vector and then margin, everything. So it will consume time for you. This grid search will take half an hour. Okay, more than half an hour minimum. So next, it will give the output, guys, not an issue. Here from the model, give me support vector. What are support vector, guys? A nearest point to a line. We can have one support vector. We can have multiple support vectors also. Okay. Coefficient. Coefficient means your beta values. Y is equal to beta naught plus beta 1. Remember, this will give you all beta numbers. Then we have intercept. Intercept is called as bit or not? Clear? So you will have equation like linear regression, guys. Just wait for some second. Let me get an answer. Become easy to see you. Okay, guys, I get an output over here. If you can see, these are the number of support vector which system decided. Here we have more dimension. We do not have only 2 dimension. Here we have how many X, if you can see. How many columns we have? Can you count? Yes, we have remove 1 column, rest we have 18 columns. So 18 was there. Out of 18, 1 we removed. Then 1 is Y. So 16. 16 we say 1 is your 16 are your X. So the 16X is there as in dimension. 16D. Okay. And this is your coefficient, guys. This is your intercept. Next, we use X train, Y train, and we just want to make a train data. We just combine. On this train, I want model to be predict for X train. And make a new column called predicted. Can you say, guys, the process remains same? Next, we make confusion matrix. 1136 plus 106 divided by 1750 will give you accuracy of 2%. Saurav, can you explain me this classification report, please? No. How many data we have? How many are bad customer? Good customer? Accuracy? Sensitivity? No, you have to look at the recall. Inside recall, 1 from here, recall from here. They interacted. 30% sensitivity. Specificity? Clear, guys? Same way, guys, we go for X test. This is your test data. Then we go for your predicting for test data using all the tests. Next, further moving, we make our confusion matrix for tests. We make accuracy, we make report. Can I say after model, after prediction on train, process remains same? Yes. So guys, hint for everyone, here accuracy is 83. In train, we have 82. They are close, we can say model is good. Main thing which I want to show over here is your data. Second, we further split into different algorithms. Let's say either you do linear, either you do logistic, or any tree. I don't know what happened. It's stuck. Okay. One second, guys. It gets stuck for me. Or you make any tree, or you do SVM or any algorithm. Initial step. Step number 1 is import and data cleaning is common. Second, data partition till is everything is common. After data partition, model comes new. After model, accuracy, confusion matrix, data combined remains same. So we are just doing changes in model. Clear? Easy, guys, or difficult? Now coming to the grid search. Okay. As I said, in the grid search, it will consume time for you guys. For me also, it will consume time. I say kernel is linear. So we have 3 types of kernel: radial, polynomial, linear. Can you see the cost penalty? I've taken as 1 or 10. You can take any numbers. Then gamma value is for polynomial. I've taken 0.01. These are the parameter for tuning. Assigning SVC in model. So my model name, parameter name, repeating how many number of times? How many combination we have, guys? 1 to the 2. 1, 1, 1 combination. 1, 1, 1. How many combination we are making? 2 combination. 2 combination repeating how many number of times? 5 times. 2, 5 is the 10. Can you see? Select model based on accuracy. Guys, it's consuming time. That's why I stopped this. Because what happened, it's make my laptop slow, my RAM slow, everything slow. Okay. Any question can ask. Okay. Guys, after this, we'll have, guys, there are some more algorithms. I'll teach you. Okay. Not a part of the curriculum, but I'll teach you. Don't worry. It's used over there. Some points are written somewhere. The link is happening to the algorithm names. Okay. So first I'll teach the part of the syllabus, which is called as time series. Okay. So time series is the first part, which have only 1 or 2 page theory. Everything is practical. I'll not take much theory. Okay. So my suggestion, you first write the theory part, the basic introduction and definition. Okay. Then I will take example. Today we'll study the example also. Means on pen paper. Please write the name time series and write this as a definition for you. Okay. In example, you can write any one example. No need to write all the 4s.
So done.
Okay, I'm scrolling down. Okay. Guys, you do not have to write everything, okay? You just have to write from component till random moment. Starting from here, stop till here. For every case, I'll give you example, okay? You guys done this one, online students? If you're done, guys, I'll
Yes,
explain
sir.
the concept. Okay, I do not have to write everything. I'll explain the concept. Guys, when I say time, okay, how can we measure time, guys? Time को how can we measure? कैसे check कर सकते हैं क्या time हुआ है? Or what we use? How we measure height? Centimeter. How can we measure time? Seconds, minute, hours, day, week, month, quarter, month, and years. Correct? These are the way we measure the times. ये clear है? Anyone need any understanding on this? Do you want to teach you how to read the time? Not series. What is the meaning of series, guys? Sequence. Can we call this is also sequence, guys? One after one in the list. It is not an ascending or descending. It's just a list format. Now, analysis means formula. Using a mathematical formula and solve it. So we require a series which depends on time. Let's take an example. Okay. Month. And anytime, guys, have you purchased milk? Milk purchase किया है grocery store से? Let's say price of the milk in a, not say milk, it'll come to milk as a year point of view. Price of mobile phone. I think everybody is comfortable with the mobile phone. Boys are not comfortable with the milk because they never go to purchase. They just drink. Okay. Second scenario. Here we have month wise. Let's say a company is launching a phone in the month of January. What happened, guys, in the month of January? The company launched the phone. When they launch a phone, the month was January, and the price of the phone is 1,000 rupees, $1,000. Clear? Next month, Feb, the price of the phone become 950. Possible, guys? Or it will become 1900. Possible? कभी ऐसा हुआ है फोन का प्राइस पहले लॉन्च हुआ है वो कम था बाद में बढ़ गया तो लॉन्चिंग अमाउंट इज द हाईएस्ट अमाउंट देन मार्च देन अप्रैल this become 850 this become 750 can I say guys this month can I call this as a time can I call price as a series one after one can I say as month increases price of the phone decreases can I say this is a series which we have guys which depends on time as time increase my price decrease clear guys anyone have any question with respect to time in series ask me logic clear guys what is the meaning of time what is the meaning of series online students clear for you
yes sir
now
yes sir
thank you the price of April can I say depends on March agree guys price of March can I say depends on Feb can I say guys here we have row dependent so whenever we have row dependent and data is given with respect to time that time what I will use time series analysis got the point when to use time series guys logic clear easy guys understand second let's take a scenario as price, let's say year, and let's say the price of petrol. I know everyone is aware of petrol. Price of 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's start from 18, 19, 20, 21. Clear. Guys, what is the time factor over here? Year. Price of petrol in 2018, take an example, is 75 rupees. In 19, it's become as 80 rupees. 2022, it's become 95. Now we have 100. Clear. Can I say as year increases, the price of petrol also increase? Can we say, guys, here we have an upward pattern, upward trend? Can I say here I have downward trend? Clear. Okay. Can I say the price of 2022 will depends on whom, guys? Can it become on 21? Can I say, guys, we have row dependency? So whenever we have row dependency, that time we have to use time series, plus our series will depends on time factor. Logic clear, guys? What type of data we have in time series? Clear or not? Easy? नहीं, अगर आपका मंथली डेटा है तो सारा डेटा मंथ हो. अगर आपका ईयरली है तो एवरी डेटा हैज टू बी ईयरली. एक मंथ एक ईयर ऐसा नहीं. Scale has to be same throughout the year. Throughout the data set, scale has to be same. Either full yearly data or either full monthly, full quarterly can be possible. Mixed data we can't take. Concept clear, guys? So how many trend we have seen? Upwards and downward. Write the first method and draw this. If you remember, you have written from here. There are 4 components. I teach you only the first component. You have written this trend now. Write this trend and write this example and draw. Done? Okay. I'll change the screen. So guys, we're done with the first component called as a trend. What is the next component name? Seasonal variation. Anyone can explain, guys, what is the meaning of seasonal? Layman language. Seasonal means what? Okay. Write this. Anisha, we just started with your time series 1.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so I'm just doing a basic discussion on points. So we have 4 points. I've done with the first point. I'm doing second one.
Okay, sir.
Draw the structure, guys. Priyanka, you are absent for 1 day in the middle.
Yes, sir.
Why? What is the reason?
I have to go. I was traveling that time, so that I was unable to attend lecture.
Okay. ट्वेंटी को कौन कौन प्रेजेंट था यूनिट इवेंट पे सब जन थे ना 20 पीसी के टाइम पे किरण वाज देयर हां किरण को डालना हैवी लगा था रागिनी वाज देयर राहुल वाज देयर शांतनु वाज देयर शुभम भी था वल्लभ भी थे योगेश भी थे सौरभ आप नहीं थे ना पीसी के टाइम पे थे आप
So which day?
on the date on 20
I was there, sir.
Just one person. Priyanka, you was absent on 20, na, correct?
Yes, sir.
Online is okay. For me, is how many are present? Then, guys, the diagram 1, I'll explain the concept. Now, here we have written the word seasonal. Seasonal means, guys, think like this way. In your summer season, we have mangoes. In Diwali, we have high sales of sweet. In rainy season, we have high sales for raincoats and umbrellas. Okay, this is called seasonal. So here we say a pattern occurs one time. Can I say Diwali come one time? Mango come one time? Okay, one time in one complete cycle. One complete cycle means how many years we have, how many months we have in a year. If I have data monthly, so one complete cycle means 12 months. If I have data, let's say weekly, or if I have data quarterly, one complete cycle means how many quarters? 4 quarters, no? If I say weekly, clear, guys. The one complete cycle means it depends how we have a data. Do we have data monthly, quarterly, weekly, or daily level? Guys, complete cycle clear? And one time happens. One time in one quarter. So here, which data we have? Monthly or quarterly? Quarterly. Guys, where we have the high peak occurs for us? Can I say 4 quarter is equal to one complete cycle? In the next year, same peak do we have in the 4th quarter? Can I say same pattern reflecting again in the forward year on same position? That is called seasonal. Got the point? What is the meaning of seasonal? A pattern which occurs in the forward years. Okay. Point number 1, a pattern which occurs one time in one complete cycle, and same pattern is replicated in the forward years. Clear? Okay. Now third one is cyclical, guys. It's a suggestion to draw a diagram from here. Right, cyclical and draw this. Guys, clear? Run the diagram. I'll take a structure for you, don't worry. Okay. Now let's say seasonal. Seasonal means any pattern. Okay. Let's say this is quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. This pattern again repeated in the forward years. Means entire pattern, guys, I'm asking about this time. Till year. Anything which is repeated, it is called as seasonal. So it's called as cyclical. Okay. Any pattern which repeat. For example, if you can see in this diagram, can I say that a pattern will start from here, okay, will go up to here. Example. Can you see over here? Same pattern, quarter 1, say quarter 2 increase, quarter 3 decrease. This pattern is called as cyclical pattern. Clear? Any question anyone have, please ask. The cyclical is just like an up and down. A pattern repeated multiple number of times. What do you write a sentence for cyclical? I'll give a sentence for you. A pattern which occurs one or more than one time. Just add the swing, your diagram is done for you. The red color is your seasonal. The blue color is your cyclical. Clear? Anyone can explain, guys, what is the meaning of random? If I say take random numbers, does not have any pattern. This is called random. Clear, guys. So, guys, we have how many components? 4. And seasonal, cyclical, random. Every component have different algorithm. Clear. In time series, we have more than 400 combinations. Once the concept clear, combination become more easy. Any question anyone have? So guys, till here is your base which you have written. Go to your drive and we'll make a folder called time series. On screen, let's understand some diagram, guys. Okay. Looking at this, tell me which pattern we have. First, you tell me what is the time factor. Then you tell me what is the pattern we have. So we have data day-wise. Which component we have? Four component, no? Out of four, which one is this one? This is your trend one. Which trend? Uptrend. Looking at this. Time factor. Okay. Easy to read, guys. Second, tell me what is the time factor over here? What is the time factor, guys? So here we have data coming in quarterly format. Agree with that? Okay. And where we have, which part component we have? Seasonal. Where we have seasonality? Every third quarter we have a peak. Here guys, easy. Now see on this. Time factor, monthly. Looking at this pattern. Seasonal. So every month, every December of every year, we have a high peak. So we have a seasonality which is monthly. Here I have taken seasonality with quarter. We will have monthly also, we can have yearly also, we can have weekly also. Now this pattern. Time is month. Okay. Do we have trend? Do we have seasonal? What remains? Do we have cyclical pattern over here? What remains? Clear, guys. So it's a random pattern because here we do not have trend and seasonal. Now, there are only four. उस 4 के अंदर हर एक के अंदर we have 10-20 models. और हर एक 20 के अंदर we have 20-20 combinations. The complexity will increase. It's easy, not difficult. Looking at this, guys, tell me. Here, guys, have given data monthly level. Okay. Time is month. Which pattern we have? Upper trend is there. Okay, next. Every time we get a peak, guys. Can you see? So can we say we have trend also? We have seasonal also. Plus, can you see the same pattern which reflects over here? Same pattern is also reflecting over here with the higher number. So here we have. Can I say all three combination is present on this data? So guys, it may happen you may have one component in plot. You may have two component in plot. You may have three component in plot. We cannot have four. If four happens, all three is vanished. Okay. For every component, one model. Combining two component, another model. Combining three component, another model. You can imagine how many models we have over here. Clear, guys? Easy. Any question on 1 to 3? Any question on all the components? Easy to understand. One second, let me think. उनको दिख रहा है accuracy लिखा हुआ फाइन. Please write the topic accuracy of model. I'm repeating, write the topic accuracy of model. Okay. Then right, there are one is here, CC, MSC, there are 4 methods, right? There are 4 methods. SSE, right? Sum of squares of error. Sum of squares of error. The second one, MSE, mean square error. Written. Third one, RMSE, root mean square error. Okay. Then you write as a note, RMSE value has to be less than or equal to 10. Fourth one, MAPE, full form, mean absolute percentage error. You read first this? Written, right? Full form for MAPE, mean absolute percentage error. Then you can write same thing. You the yellow color you copy and paste, guys. ये जो yellow है ना, same thing यहाँ पे आपको copy करना है इधर. Okay. I will teach you manually how to calculate each and everything. SSC will teach you maths. MSc will teach you maths. RMSc will teach you maths. MAPE also will teach you on maths. So everything will be practical, don't worry, okay? We're just writing a name.
Sir,
Yes.
We have used this term in linear regression also.
Perfect. Yes. We have used this prior also.
Okay. And the same terms we are using in time series.
Yeah. Till 1 to 3, you have using your linear regression. Okay. But MAPE, we are only specific to time series.
Okay.
4 are allowed. Out of 4, we can use any one.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So it is your opinion and your convenience, which is your variable you want to use.
Okay.
MAPE दिख रहा है आपको? Guys, write for MSc first. Whichever I do a color, only that part you have to write, okay? Write MSc and write this one. Whichever is highlighted, only that part you have to write. Okay, this much. Hello. Okay, discussion already done. Guys, this is the last which you have to write MAPE. And guys, MAPE is very important for interview. उसमें कोई डाइस ही नहीं है. Okay. If time series is occurred, MAPE will be there by default. If interviewer never asks you MAPE, you have to explain it. Like a rice, by default there is a dal or tadka. Whereas time series that MAPE is mandatory. RMC you don't explain, it's okay. But MAPE you have to explain. Write this all 5 points. Do not write this formula. Formula I will give you. Okay, you just write this points. And mark is important for interview point of view, guys. Does anyone have doubt in clustering? My suggestion for you is when an exam update will release a assessment. सब सॉल्व करते हैं ना, वैसे आप सॉल्व कर जाएगा. जैसे आप लोग सॉल्व करके आओगे तो हम मंडे के लिए लेक्चर देंगे. हम सेशन रखेंगे. ये मोटिव डिस्कशन. मैंने फ्राइडे कल आपको क्लास दिया था. तो डिसीजन ट्री होना ऐसा डिसीजन लेकर करोगे तो बाकी हम वर्क भी सेम करना है. तो आप लोग कहेंगे इसमें भी कीप ऑन सॉल्विंग एंड कमिंग. Online students, guys, just one update to everyone. Anisha, Kiran, Priyanka, and Ragini. Okay, just one update. Make sure on Monday we will be doing a discussion again. Okay, so Utkasha ma'am will release an assessment for you, which will be based on KNN, which will be based on your PCA in SVM. Okay, one assessment will be released. You try to solve. Point number 1. If you are able to solve, I'm happy. If you are not able to solve, not an issue. You come on Monday, we'll sit in the class and we will solve. And on Monday, lecture will not be there. I will not teach you any new topic. Monday, we will have a discussion of the previous algorithm doubts. We have done on Thursday also this same activity. Discussion of decision tree versus your random forest versus boosting. Same way, now on Monday, we will do a discussion on linear regression, logistic regression. Then 2 more algorithms will be there added, like KNN. Then we will add SPM, PCA. So this discussion will again occur for you. It will be okay, Anisha, Kiran, Ragini?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
assessment
Yes,
will
sir.
be released today or Monday, sir.
Madam will release today. You have to submit by Monday.
Achha, okay, sorry. Okay.
So what happened? At least you have a weekend, you can try in any one of the days.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Monday, no lectures. It will be a discussion round for you. If you're done till here, guys, just update me. The MAPE one.
Sir.
I'm sharing a different screen. Just a second. Right? Are you able to see the screen? Anisha? These are student logins. Online students guys are audible.
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the PDF? Can you see the PDF?
No,
So
sir.
your voice is not clear.
No, sir. We can't see the PDF.
Now just cross check. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
PDF correct? PDF screen.
Yes, sir. PDF screen.
Okay, it's open over here. From there I can see that.
He might care, so beware what you speak. It is going to get recorded. Don't be sad.
Let's try this one. Okay. Once you're done, just inform me. This is the last one. Guys, done for the day, we can stop. Okay. We'll further continue next time.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
So, do we have a lecture on Monday?
अभी माइक चलो है.
I'm not there now. Hello. I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
I'm saying the update you will get by today. You have lecture or not? 90%
Okay, sir.
you will be having a lecture. 10% is error of alpha. Okay.
So, your voice is breaking.
I'm saying 90% chance lecture will be there.
Okay.
But you will get confirmation by today on email. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.